Sawadee Cup, I'm JP Mestanza. It's January 14th. Welcome to Phuket Extra, brought to you by... A new leatherback turtle nest has been found on Khao Beach in northern Phuket earlier this week. Marine life experts estimated that the nest was laid at about Sunday, and they've already blocked off the area so the eggs would hatch undisturbed. Turtles returning to Phuket beaches to lay eggs have been much welcomed after years of deciding to not lay nests on beaches that were, until recently, constantly disturbed by tourists. Back on January 1st, just after the New Year countdown, a leatherback turtle came ashore at Kata Beach for the first time in decades to lay eggs just minutes into the new year. For more on this, visit thephuket.news.com. Thailand plans to inoculate half of its population by the end of the year, and while most of the vaccines they procured, they're from AstraZeneca, next month they'll begin receiving the first batch of the vaccine developed by China's Sinovac Biotech, but reports released this week from Brazilian officials shows that it was just 50.4% effective. The Public Health Ministry is now requesting more information about CoronaVac developed by Sinovac Biotech in China. Last week, the Butantan Institute in Brazil claimed that the results from their trials in the South American country showed CoronaVac was 78% effective against mild to severe COVID cases. But then on Tuesday, they clarified the results, saying that this figure did not include those from a group of very mild infections. And with this data, the efficacy rate drops to 50.4%. Still, Turkish researchers last month said CoronaVac was 91.2% effective, while Indonesia said it was 63% effective. Either way, China's Food and Drug Administration have yet to approve this vaccine as they're awaiting safety data results in China. Here in Thailand, it's still growing through FDA approval as well, but officials previously signed a deal for 2 million doses sent in 3 batches, the first of which, 200,000 doses, it's expected to arrive in Thailand next month for frontline health workers, according to officials. For more, visit thephuket.news.com. Officials in Bangkok have given the green light for municipalities around Thailand to finally hold local municipal elections this March. The elections at all local levels are tentatively scheduled for March 21st, and they'll be the first local municipal elections since the military coup back in May 2014. Elections will be for all local levels of government, including Tambon Subdistrict, Muang, which is town, Nakhon for city. Phuket officials are making preliminary preparations as they gear up for the final go-ahead from the Election Commission. The news comes just a month after Thailand allowed provincial elections throughout the country, and here in Phuket, Riwat Arirob won the majority of votes to become president of the Phuket Provincial Administration Organization. For more, visit thephuket.news.com. Phuket Extra will be right back after this. Welcome back to Phuket Extra. More news now about the Cabinet's recently approved relief measures that have been announced for households and small businesses. The Thai government revealed a discount for electricity and water bills. Residential households that use no more than 150 units of electricity per month during February and March will receive the first 90 units for free, while households that use more than 150 units per month will receive discounts relative to their usage during December. For water supply bills, both households and small businesses will receive a 10% discount for both February and March. In addition, telecom regulators are set to negotiate with network service providers to give discounts to households and maintain stable internet connection for anyone working from home. For the full details on discounts over electricity and water, visit thephuket.news.com or click the link in the description. Officials confirmed 259 new COVID-19 infections in Thailand today, raising the total to 11,262 total cases since the outbreak began. 68% of total patients have recovered. The death toll rose by 2 today and is now at 69 total. They include a 71-year-old British man who also had lung cancer, and then there's a 53-year-old Thai man who also had diabetes. For more on this, visit thephuket.news.com. And thank you for watching Phuket Extra today, brought to you by the lyrics below. We'll be back tomorrow. Until then, stay classy, Phuket.